The sedan market in India is making a quiet but steady comeback, and leading this charge is the 2026 Hyundai Verna. Hyundai has always played it smart with the Verna, but the 2026 model, it's sharper, smarter, and far more premium. But is it truly worth your money? Let's break it down. First impressions, the design. Hyundai has gone all in with its sensuous sportiness, design language. The front fascia now looks bolder than ever with a seamless LED DRL bar, a massive grille, and sharp cuts across the body. From the side, it has that coupe-like roofline which gives it a sporty silhouette. In a market where most sedans have started to look bland, the Verna stands out. Under the hood, you get two engine options. The 1.5 LMPI petrol engine gives a calm, refined experience, perfect for city drives. But for enthusiasts, there's the 1.5L turbo petrol engine, which churns out 160 PS and 253 Nm. It's fast, responsive, and can easily handle highway stretches. The turbo even gets a 7-speed DCT that's quick and intuitive. But which one should you buy? If you are a calm city commuter, stick with the MPI. If you are a spirited driver, go turbo. Inside, Hyundai has truly pushed the bar. A massive 10.25-inch touchscreen, fully digital instrument cluster, premium leatherette seats, soft touch materials, this is no longer a budget interior. It feels European. You also get ventilated and heated front seats, a Bose sound system, ambient lighting, and even ADAS Level 2 features. Hyundai has made it clear, Verna isn't just fighting City or Slavia, it wants to outclass them. But here's the big question, how does it perform on Indian roads? The suspension setup on the 2026 Verna has been tuned for a fine balance. It's not too soft, which means no unnecessary bounciness at high speeds, but also not too stiff. It handles potholes decently well, though sharp bumps can still be felt slightly. The ground clearance is around 165 mm, which is acceptable, but do be careful over very large speed breakers, especially with a full load. Safety is another highlight. 6 airbags standard, ABS, EBD, traction control, front and rear parking sensors, and with the addition of ADAS features like lane keep assist, forward collision warning, and adaptive cruise control, Verna now matches cars from a segment above. Now let's talk numbers. The starting price of the 2026 Hyundai Verna is around 11.2 lakh rupees, ex-showroom, and goes up to about 17.5 lakh rupees for the top turbo variant. Yes, it's pricier than before, but with the features on offer, it justifies it well. Still, the competition is tight. The Honda City remains a trusted option. The Skoda Slavia has better driving dynamics. But where the Verna wins, is design, tech, and features. In conclusion, is the 2026 Hyundai Verna a good choice for India? Yes, it's feature-loaded, spacious, has strong engine options, and looks premium, all while being relatively affordable. While India may be tough on sedans because of our obsession with SUVs, the Verna proves that there's still a lot of life left in this segment. For those who want style, comfort, and performance without buying an SUV, the new Verna is hard to ignore.